Hey, Two Pill Station, come on in here and clean up my radio, man. Good morning, Two Pill. Come in here and clean up my radio. Two Pill, good morning. Trinitron9, break, break, break.
Worldwide Trinitron9, worldwide Trinitron9, worldwide Trinitron9. Yo, worldwide, you feeling Texas waving right back.
All right, Two Pill, you smoking in Coney Island. Hey, Two Pill, you smoking this morning in Coney Island. Good to hear your voice on my radio. Have a good rest of the day. Hey, Two Pill, Trinitron9 with the wave. Bye, bye, bye.
Like that. Hey, Hollywood. Level 410, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron, level 410, but watch your back, Hollywood. Coming up in there, man. Back in this mobile. Hey, Trinitron, I ain't got to tell you who he is, but he's coming up in there. Okay, Trinitron, you're worldwide. You feel in Texas waving. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
And that's a worldwide Two Pill Roger. Worldwide Two Pill Roger. You said Hollywood's coming up down my back. It is what it is. Take care, worldwide Two Pill, Trinitron9. Bye, bye, bye.
They got a nigga push me down and rip my tail and fire. Hey, Hollywood, put on you later. I'm going to chase that guy.
Trinitron9 right there, right now. I'm going to take a pause to the cause and see what's going on. Hey, Two Pill, I'm going to take a pause to the cause and see what's really going on. Take care, Two Pill. Waving a hand to the band. Trinitron9, got down. Bye, bye, bye. Good morning, stepchild. Good morning, stepchild. Trinitron9 playing in the water. Good morning, stepchild. Good morning, stepchild. Trinitron9, Coney Island playing in the water. You said he ain't gonna get it back. You said stepchild ain't gonna get it back. Well, he didn't get it back, that's for sure. Hey, stepchild, if he was trying to get it back, he didn't get it back, that's for sure. Take care, Two Pill, Trinitron9, riding the wave. Bye, bye, bye. Take care, Two Pill in the good time gang. Take care, Two Pill in the good time gang, man. Y'all coming out here strong. Y'all hitting hard in the water. Y'all hitting hard this morning in this water. Everybody got their mind made up this morning. Y'all hitting hard. Trinitron9. Bye, bye, bye. Take care, Two Pill. Hey, stepchild, if you got a grip on my lip, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, stepchild, if you got a grip on my lip, Trinitron9 with the morning wave.
No. That was for old time's sake. He didn't know what a full body
Shame on the mess. Dozer got his mind made up talking to Hollywood. Dozer got his mind up talking to Hollywood. Trinitron9 playing in the water. Trinitron9 Coney Island just playing in the water. Morning time, morning time, morning time.
Hey, Hollywood, tell Bulldozer to sit down. Oh, Hollywood, 2 bill. Hey, Hollywood. Talking to my radio. You know what happened a minute ago, Trinitron9? That guy picking 2 bill whooped my butt, and I'm trying to push it right back. Hey, Trinitron9, I'm still talking to my radio, but I want to go whichever way 2 bill go. Trinitron9, I'm going to talk to my radio.
Talk to your radio no matter what happens. Talk to your radio no matter what happens. Hey, Bulldozer, you say you're going to talk to your radio no matter what happens, no matter what happens, no matter what happens. Good morning, Bulldozer. Good morning, Bulldozer. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Hey, Trinitron, 2 bill, say talk to your radio. Hey, Trinitron, 2 bill.
Two Pill say talk to my radio. Two Pill say talk to my radio. Hey, that Two Pill, he keyed up and said talk to my radio. Hey, Two Pill, you keyed up and said talk to my radio. Trinitron9, bye, bye, bye.
Trinitron, I'm gonna get out of the way, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron, I'm gonna get out of the way.
Take it, Two Pill, bye, bye, bye. Take it, Two Pill, bye, bye, bye. Take care, two pills, those and all the good time gang. I ain't doing nothing but checking the water temperature. I ain't doing nothing but checking this water temperature out here in Coney Island. It looks pretty good, little overcast, but it looks pretty good in the water. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Just got down.
Charles, I cannot do
Always talk to your radio, always talk to your radio. You and two pill got my ear hole. Hey, Bulldozer, always talk to your radio. You and two pill got my ear hole, man. Y'all ain't playing. You and two pill ain't playing, man. Y'all doing your thing in the deep waters of County Island. Keep talking to your radio. Keep talking to your radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Hey, Trinitron9, I always talk to my radio. That kind of big sheriff over there, I got his mind made up, kind of like me and old two pill got our mind made up. If we gonna sit here and punch each other in the eye, just go round for round. Hey, Trinitron9, keep on with the keyboard and keep on talking to your radio. That's all I want anybody to do. Be cool, be safe, Trinitron9. Keep the bread in the air, keep the bread in the air. Don't let the bread get wet. Trinitron9, your CB friend Bulldozer, trying to push on two pill back, I see.
Got it all, you said it all, got it all, you said it all. I don't believe two pill keyed up. He said he was taking the pause for the cause. Hey, Bulldozer, I don't believe two pill keyed up because he said he was taking the pause for the cause, but you was all by yourself on my radio. Keep it up, Bulldozer. Keep it up, Bulldozer. Keep on pushing that plow. Trinitron9. Bye, bye, bye.
And then Roger Trinitron9, you say you don't think he keyed at all? You don't think he keyed at all? I heard old boss taking up in there. Boston around.
Ah, you keyed up that time. You keyed up that time. Y'all tied it up that time. You keyed up that time and y'all tied it up that time. No doubt about it. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island, getting down.
I heard a 7 in Philly. I don't think I got your 28 straight, but I did hear a 7 around Philly. Bulldozer gonna always talk to my radio, and I'm waving at the station out there around Philly. Dozers Mobile back out.
7 trying to go to heaven. That's all that is. 7 trying to go to heaven. That's all that is. That's all that's about. 7's trying to go to heaven. That 7's trying to go to heaven. Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the wave. Just got down.
I mean, that weekend, I couldn't hear nothing at that point. I hope I'm getting you 28 straight at 707. Dozers Mobile talking to my radio, and I got my video to the box saying, come on down.
707 trying to go to heaven. 707 trying to get to heaven. That's 707 trying to get to heaven. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 riding the wave. Just got down.
But Lord have mercy, brother. And I can't get nobody's kind of picking 28 straight, but I want you to know, I did hear somebody else just call on Bulldozer. They say, hey, Bulldozer, and then I ain't hear nothing else. I guarantee you. I guarantee you, he don't hear no damn snake doctor now.
Riding the wave and walking on all this water. Riding the wave and walking on all this water. I'm riding the wave and walking on all this water. Trinitron9, the man with the bread in his hand. Got down?
I thought it was quarter nickel. I thought it was quarter nickels. Take care, number 8. Oh, George Patty.
Hello, radio. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Look like more people are in the water. Hello, radio. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. It looks like more people getting wet out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. All you got to do is come and get a piece of this bread I got in my hand. All you got to do is come and get a piece of this bread I got in my hand. Trinitron9, Coney Island, checking the water temperature.
Because all quarters only one, but you got 3. I believe we got that Bulldozer in there, Rascal. The sounding choice down here in Texas in the Lone Star State.
No get back on Gunslinger. No get back on Gunslinger. Your Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island, standing by.
Here you go. Maybe gotta put a big slapstick switch on that thing. We hear that a lot of big radios coming in my receive this morning down here in the Lone Star State. Yeah, I heard a Pennsylvania station in there, 386 Gunslinger, Texas, returning.
No conditions on 386, your number 9 Coney Island, checking the water temperature. No conditions on 386, your number 9 Coney Island base station, standing by.
I think it was 1207. Okay, New Jersey. Hello, New Jersey. I got a copy on your 386 Slinger station right back. Take care, George.
I need the county on the radio cleanup. It got real rough and tough again on my radio. Trinitron9 looking for a radio cleanup. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good Trinitron9, D Waters of County Island, standing by.
Well, in this beautiful Sunday, your worldwide Superman, New Jersey, with the wings is going. Okie. All right, there, New Jersey station. We got a whole lot of big radios.
I need another radio cleanup up here in County Island. I need another County Island radio cleanup. Trinitron9 need another County Island radio cleanup. The man with the bread in his hand, checking the morning mail.
Hey, Superman. Roger, 1207. I copied that. All right, we'll see you. Anytime to you. Superman, Bulldozer. People don't know.
Superman's in the mix. Superman's in the mix. They don't call him Superman for nothing. That Superman's in the mix. Yeah, Trinitron9 still standing in these deep waters of County Island. Yeah, Trinitron9 standing in the middle of these deep waters of County Island.
My friend 2P down here in Texas whooped my butt just a short bit ago. Hey, Superman, old Bulldozer, more than waves back out.
Trinitron9 riding the wave, walking on all this water. Trinitron9 County Island riding the wave and walking on all this water. Trying to get another radio clean out. I'm trying to get another County Island radio clean out. Trinitron9 County Island, standing by.
Superman, Bulldozer. I'm just down here working my butt down station. Superman, put a smile on your face, still to put the broken foot.
All I got is Bulldozer and Superman in my radio in County Island. I need a radio clean out. All I got is Bulldozer and Superman in my County Island base station. I need a radio clean out. Can anybody get it back to these deep waters of County Island and clean out my radio? Yeah, Trinitron9 right there, right now. Break.
You good, man, no doubt.
Somebody keyed up with a big carrier, but the audio ain't that loud. I don't know if you were talking to me or not. Somebody keyed up with a big carrier, but the audio's not that loud. Trinitron9 County Island with the morning wave. Trinitron9 County Island with the morning wave. Just got down.
You know how it is when you don't get it done, you put it out. Superman, your CB friend, Bulldozer, mobile is back out. Real good copy there, Bulldozer, man. No doubt, man. Enjoy what you do. Have a blessed day. God bless you.
I need a radio clean out. I need a Coney Island radio clean out. Trinitron9 need a Coney Island radio clean out. Can anybody do the job? Can anybody ease up over the top and clean out my radio? Your Trinitron9 County Island standing in the middle of the water. Break.
CB friend, Bulldozer's mobile is backing up. I'll see you. And that's a good contact, man. Contact! No doubt about it, man.
Shame on the mess. Y'all gonna make me go back to the boardwalk. Y'all gonna make me go back to the boardwalk and wait on my conditions. Y'all gonna make Trinitron9 go back to the boardwalk and wait on my conditions. Trinitron9, the man standing in the middle of these deep waters of County Ellen, checking the water temperature.
I'm having some medical problems, so, I just want to go home and enjoy whatever time I got with my family there in 10-4.
Hey, stepchild, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, stepchild, if you can hear my radio, good morning, good morning. Hey, stepchild, Trinitron9, morning wave, checking the water temperature. No get back on stepchild, no get back on stepchild. I see Superman got your ear hole. They don't call him Superman for nothing. You're Trinitron9 County Ellen. You're Trinitron9 County Ellen standing in this water. Y'all got me back on the boardwalk. Y'all got Trinitron9 sitting on the boardwalk eating another piece of bread. That's a good thing. Y'all got me sitting on the boardwalk again eating another piece of this bread of life. Crazy. That's a real good thing, though. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9 sitting on the boardwalk. Just got down. I heard some heterodyning in there. I don't know if that was stepchild or not, but I heard some heterodyning in there. I don't know if that was stepchild or not, but I heard some heterodyning in there. Good morning on the band. Good morning on the band. Trinitron9 County Ellen sitting on the boardwalk. Hey, stepchild, if you trying to get it back to me, I hear your voice, but I don't want to do no ghost talking. I don't want to do no cross talking. Hey, stepchild, if you trying to get it back to my lips, I hear your voice, but I'm waiting on my conditions. Hey, stepchild, Trinitron9 Coney Ellen with the morning wage. Just got down.